Welcome to Nelson's Library. In this video, important points from India State of Forest Report 2019 is presented. Questions may be asked in the preliminary examinations conducted by various states or Union Public Service Commission from this topic. This is the content layout what we are going to discuss. Under this, we are going to see what is ISFR, what are the key findings of ISFR, forest cover, mangrove cover, tree cover, forest types and biodiversity, growing stock, bamboo resources of our country, carbon stock in India's forest, and finally people and forest. Now let's see what is ISFR. ISFR is India State of Forest Report. This is made by Forest Survey of India, FSI, which is an organization that comes under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Initially in 1987, this report was submitted. Until now, 16 assessments have been carried out. Recently published ISFR report is the 2019 report. This is the 16th assessment report of FSI. You may have a doubt that why this ISFR is very much important. See, this ISFR contains the information of forest sector, and this helps in policy making, planning and effective management of forest resources. This ISFR contains the data of forest at national, state and union territory level, and also this is used for communicating to the international organization like FAO and UNFCCC. The key things or findings of FSI that has been submitted in this ISFR 2019 report at national, state and union territory level contains forest cover, mangrove cover, tree cover, forest types and biodiversity, forest fire monitoring, growing stocks, bamboo resources of our country, carbon stock, people and forest. Let's discuss what is forest cover. Forest cover signifies the forest resource expanse. The assessment that has been carried out here is by using a technique called remote sensing technique. FSI used latest Indian satellite data for forest cover mapping. The areas that has been assessed includes government, private, community or institutional land areas. The canopy density of over 10% in the extent of more than 1 hectare has been taken as a prime parameter for this assessment. Has been classified with canopy density. Very dense forest contains 70% and above canopy density. Moderately dense 40% and more but less than 70% canopy density. Open forest has 10% and more but less than 40% of canopy density. Scrub less than 10% canopy density, and non-forest, this includes water and does not include any of the forest classes as above that has been said as dense, moderately dense, open or scrub. This is the statistics that has been presented by FSI in the ISFR 2019 report. That is, the total forest cover in our country is 7,12,249 square kilometers. In percentage of geographical area, it is 21.67%. Madhya Pradesh has the largest forest cover in the country. If in the terms of geographical area, then Mizoram stands first with the highest percentage of forest cover. Let's say about mangrove cover. Mangrove are the salt tolerant plants and they grow in saline water. The merit of mangrove forest is that it dissipates sea wave energy and protects from tsunami and soil erosion. It enhances sediment deposition and acts as a fertile breeding ground for different fish species. This is the main livelihood for coastal communities for collecting honey and fishing. It is an important carbon sink. Here is the statistics of mangrove forest cover of our country. Pie chart shown here represents the total mangrove forest cover of the states in square kilometers. Total forest cover is 4,975 square kilometers. In percentage of geographical area, it is covering 0.15% of our nation's land. West Bengal stood first in mangrove cover with 2,112 square kilometers, which is 42.45% of our country's mangrove cover. Least is the Puducherry with 2 square kilometers of mangrove forest. Here we are going to see the important factors is that history and classification of forest types. In 1935, H.G. Champion expressed in clear classification system of forest, and then S.K. Sheth joined H.G. Champion in refining the earlier work, and finally a revised survey of the forest types of India was brought out in 1968. Then the classification was of a three-tier system of classification, subdivided into 16 precipitation and temperature range based types. Further, this division was made into two types, that is northern and southern forms, and then subdivided into 200 forest types based on floristic, edaphic and physiographic factors. Here we are going to see tree cover. Earlier we have seen the forest cover where there has been a specific area that is above 1 hectare and with different canopy densities. Here the tree cover is the small patches of trees in less than 1 hectare and extent, like trees along roadsides, that is the trees which has been planted on the national highways or some district highway roads on the either side of the roads, that has been taken into an assessment, and in home streets, canals, etc. are assessed and made as tree cover. Trees outside forest are also has been taken into consideration in this tree cover. The assessment is irrespective of patch size and even greater than 1 hectare. Here is the statistics of tree cover. Total tree cover of the country is 95,027 square kilometer. The tree cover is increased by 1,212 square kilometer in the extent comparing 2017 assessment. The state having maximum tree cover is Maharashtra with 10,806 square kilometers. But while considering the geographical percentage, Chandigarh shows the highest percentage with 22.34% of the tree cover area. The growing stock was also taken for the assessment. Mangifera indica is the highest growing stock outside forest with 12.62% of total volume. Shorea robusta is the highest growing stock in forest of 10.62%. Java and Kashmir stood first in order, having 144.16 cubic meter per hectare growing stock in the forest. Bamboo resources of the country was assessed, and bamboo belongs to a family called Poaceae family. Fastest growing perennial plant in the world is bamboo. Bamboo grows naturally throughout the country except in Kashmir region. Country's bamboo bearing is 16 million hectare. Of this, Madhya Pradesh is the highest in bamboo bearing area of 13.04%. Maximum of pure bamboo is found in Maharashtra. Assessment of FSI of carbon stock in Indian forest shows that Arunachal Pradesh is having maximum carbon stock, while Sikkim has maximum per hectare carbon stock. Total country's carbon stock at present is 7,124.6 million tons. The assessment conducted by FSI on dependence of people in terms of fuel wood, fodder, small timber and bamboo. Nearly 1,70,000 villages are located in the proximity of forest areas as to the census of 2011. Here the enlisted thing are top 3 states consumption of fuel wood, fodder, small timber and bamboo. Of fuel wood, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan are the major consumers. Fodder are maximum consumed by Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Small timber is consumed by Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Bamboo is maximum consumed by Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. To know in detail more about the ISFR 2019, visit FSI website. You can find 2 volumes of ISFR 2019. This video was made in quest to know the details in less time. Thank you.